Hello friends, today I am going to show you a very Desi Jugaad for those planters or garden enthusiasts who plant many saplings or leaves, seeds, and then they have to transfer the small saplings to another bigger pot. But many a times we have seen that when we try to transfer a sapling from one pot to another, often, very often, the roots ecosystem or the main roots get damaged. I know there are very easy methods to just tap it on the sides and then take out the whole root with the soil, but I have been using this method for a long time with good result, though it may cost you for the two pots, but these pots are also reusable. So once you transplanted the old sapling, you can plant something new inside. Now let me show you how I do it. For this we need two pots, plastic pots. This pot is around say 6 inches of diameter and around 7 inches height. So we have two pots. I have already made the holes at the bottom of both the pots, but we can do it later also. Now what we have to do, that we take one pot, and then we will use a hacksaw cutter, and we will just make 4 cuts, say 1, 2, 3 and 4 cuts on the 4 side, and these cuts we will cut it till this area. We can also cut lower, but I avoid doing it. We can do it till this turn. So here no problem is the cut is not straight, it does not matter. So what I will do is I will show you that I am cutting this one, and I will show you the one which I have already cut and kept. So this is the pot, same size pot, which I have cut, and as you can see, I have cut it till the say 70% of the pot, and I have made a cut on 4 sides. So it will look like this. This pot will become loose. It will be disformed. It will not stay. If you put any sand inside, it will not hold the shape. So for that, what we do is we will use another pot which we will not cut, and we will put this pot on the top side, and if you see, and I will press it a little, not much, and if you see that this pot will fit into each other, because these are the same type, though there may be some gap between, it does not matter. So now this pot, inside pot, has got the shape, and it has a support from on the outside. Now what we have to do is that either we can make the holes in advance, or better we can just fit both together, then we can drill holes through this. Drill it or use a something heating a pin or something and make holes throughout so that the holes of the top pot are free and the water will drain out very easily. So this is how we do it. Now what we have to do, that we can make a potting mix and put it inside, and we can just press it as much as we want, and then we can put a plant inside and fill it and let the plant grow, and we can use it as a normal pot. But when we want to transfer the plant or the sapling in this pot, what we can do is that we can try and lift this upper pot, and it will come off easily. You need to take a help of someone to hold on the lower pot, and you can easily lift it. And after you lift it, you can remove the whole plant with the soil, and you can transplant it to a bigger pot, or if you want, you can transplant to the soil or ground directly. This way, there are two advantages of this, using this method. First of all, we don't disturb the root structure or the soil. We can transplant the whole section. And another useful is that this upper pot or the whole system can be reused, because these pots don't get damaged, or they last for some 2-3 years at least. So you can reuse, and these pots are not very expensive. They cost me around, say, 50 rupees a pot. I had brought it from D-Mart, Mumbai, and these are really cheap pots made up of recycled plastic, so we can reuse it. So you can also try, and the same method can be used for all types of and all size of pots. The only thing is that both the pots should be of the same size or the same shape. You can use it in a small pot or use it in a bigger pot as you want. This works out easy for the person working in the garden. I hope you people have benefited, and you can try it home, and send me your feedback and comments. Thank you.